what you guys did. It's in the crate. Oh, let me see. Oh my goodness. Is that Gatorade or pee? We'll figure this out later. Because right now I have to say jingle jangle and welcome to the world famous Jingle Cruise! Yes, I know. Holidays. Yeah. My name is Skipper Rachel with a Y. Oh, first name Skipper, last name Rachel with a Y. And I shall be your ho-ho host. And I'll also be your pumper singer, your tree trimmer, your secret Santa, your... I wasn't supposed to say that last one out loud. Oh well. Welcome everyone to the Amazon rainforest. Lovely humbugs you see here, left and right. And if you listen closely, you might hear them calling out each other. So let's listen, everyone. Bah! It's worse than I thought. It's a bah humbug. Stay away from them, okay? Oh, for here's our inspiration ball. We walk it all the time. Rachel. Why? Why is it called inspiration ball? Well, if you ever just look at the flowing, gushing water. What are you in the meanest, richest of all? Caroling! You know, like jingle cruise, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride with Skipper Rachel to watch today. Hey! I'll be here all night. Yeah. Now we're entering our Congo River, so let's see how far we can go this morning. Yeah. And right behind me now, you'll see our boat space and bike. We're at a little holiday party. Oh, looks like they forgot to put up decorations. Maybe I should start some Christmas cheer for them. Merry Christmas! Happy Hanukkah! And a Happy New Year! Oh, they could at least put a tree, you think? Oh, there it is! Yeah, it's a nice dead tree wrapped up with a bow on top. I like it, It's a great touch for the holiday season, don't you think? Oh no. Okay, everyone start waving at them. Go, come on! Those are my in-laws. Hi guys! Aren't you a little early for the holidays? It looks like you guys do all the presents without me, huh? Yes, ma'am. The sweater looks fantastic on you. You know the difference between in-laws and outlaws? Outlaws are wanted. So, looks like we just entered the longest river on our journey, the Nile. It goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're in
denial.
In a boat. I like that one. I'll use it next time. Oh, this is our nicest elephant in the entire jungle. And if there's a nice elephant, there's always a naughty elephant. Well, that's not good. We'll find him later. Because right now, since I'm your secret Santa, I'm going to give your present to you right now. So straight from the Jungle Cruise movie is The Rock. It's one of our bolder attractions, but people just take it for granted. I don't know why. Now it looks like we're entering the African belt home to all these lovely animals. And you know what? This scene right here reminds me of my favorite Disney movie. Shout it out if you know the answer. Anyone? Lion King? That's a good guess. But no. Cars. Yeah, can you believe it? He's been shot down a zebra this holiday season, huh? Uh-oh. Looks like that Skipper Felix at the bottom of that pole over there. Let's just say something. Hey, Skipper Felix, it's me, Skipper Rachel. Why? I told you to never get out of your boat to feed a rhino a fruitcake. Yeah, he doesn't listen to me. No. But don't worry, folks. I think Skipper Felix and his crew might not be home for the holidays, so we shouldn't worry too much about them. Well, which we didn't see them at all. Over here is our lovely Mr. Frostbite and Ginger Snap. And hey, I heard Ginger's been good all year round, so Skipper and I decided to give her what she wanted for Christmas this year. A nice crock pot. Now right behind me is our Glacier Mountain. Let's check out that nice ice formation. Oh no, it melted. Everyone, lean! Go, go, go! Our lives depend on this! Okay, all good. We're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it! No! Oh, we made it. For a second I thought I was about to deck the halls with both times all like la 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 la. Yeah, people wonder, question for Rachel. How'd you land your job here? Play the scene. Took a crash course halfway round, but now I'm just winging it. Oh no. I should have been more precise with my Christmas list. Yes, folks, we're entering the hungry Hippo pool. Don't lose your marbles, okay? I know I'm scared of mom. I love you. Let's get married tonight, like the Hallmark movies. Oh, yeah, it works every time. Just don't know why. To be honest, they're all a bunch of hypocrites. Oh my goodness, they're here early. Yeah, guys, look, Christmas carolers. Wow. Did anyone bring them a figgy pudding? They won't go until they get some. They won't go until they get some. Well, we're far away from it now, so they can't stop us. And just in time, too. We just found my best friend, Annette. Hi, Annette. Well, she's a little shy this morning. Yeah, she likes to catch those butterflies this time of year. Yeah, the only thing I'm good at catching this time of year is a cold. Humbug. Oh, no, that sounds like screwdriver. Don't worry, I know how to cure it with a nice ace one in the world. The one, the only, backside of money. Wow. Yeah, I was supposed to call that the backside of eggnog for the holiday season, but I can never find a big enough gingerbread cookie for that. I know, no wonder you found me a baby bed. My bad. Now it looks like we're entering our main common river and huh. Well, I don't remember that temple. Raise your hand if you want to go in there. Well, good, because I don't know how to turn this boat around. Rumor has it, I think this might be Santa Claus workshop. So let's go in. you enjoyed this cruise you went on today. My name is Skipper Rachel with a Y. But if you did not like this